Hello children, this is Swarnima teacher from Toddledom School. Today I welcome you all in activity period. It's time to learn a craft work. Yes, in today's activity session we are going to learn paper foldings. And in paper foldings what we are going to do? The topic of our today's paper folding means craft is boat. Yes, can you tell me what is boat? In which transport it comes? Yes, an object which floats on water. Yes, that is called boat and it is a waterways transport. You know children, there are three types of transport: airways, waterways and roadways. So today we are going to learn waterways transport and that is boat. Now you all have learned drawing, coloring in the class. Am I correct? Yes, we have done with the drawing coloring. It's time to learn paper folding craft now. So let's start with boat making. Now children, to make the boat we require 3A notebook, marble paper, fevi-stick, pencil and crayons. So first let us start with the date. The date is 07-1010-2121 and write CW. And as you all know children, today we are going to make boat. So let's put the heading. Capital cursive CRAFT craft and in a bracket write capital cursive B, join and write small cursive OAT boat. So children, where does the boat floats? Yes, boat runs in the water. It floats on the water. So let us first make water with the sky blue color. Here we are going to give the effect of water as well as sky. So let us color the full page with light blue color. Remember children, when you are coloring, your color should go in one direction. This way you have to color the water. Keep the shading light only, do not make it too dark. Now the top portion also we are going to color with light blue color only, which will give the effect of sky. So our full white page has turned into blue color. Yes. So almost our sky and water is complete. Now how to make the difference? For that we are going to use another shade of blue color to make the waves inside the water. If you don't have the different shade, you can use the same blue color, press it and make the waves like this. When you will press the crayon, the shade will automatically come dark. So this way we have made the waves. You can make small fish inside. Yes, if you are good in drawing, you can make small water animals as well to look it more attractive. Now with Another shade of blue color, we are making the clouds over here. Give it the shading with dark blue color. So our base is ready with water, sky, clouds. Now it's time to do the craft work. So for that we require marble paper, and here teacher is using red color paper. You can make the boat with any color. Now how we are going to do the foldings? Hold the corner and bring the corner to the point like this and fold it in diagonal position. After folding, you will get triangle shape. You can see, children, slanting line, sleeping line. We have got from square triangle shape like this. Press it nicely with your hand. When you will open this, you will find a shadow line in the center. Now keep your finger in the center and with the left hand fold half paper like this. From the corner, just see that point should not go here and there. The folding is very important. You should fold it nicely from point to point. Now from the right hand side also fold the paper till the shadow line like this. Press it nicely with your hand this way. Now when you will open, you can see this is our proper folding of boat. Till the shadow line you have to fold from the left corner and from the right corner. Now what about this bottom part? Yes, this part also will go on top like this, and you have to press it with your finger. Do not fold it extra. Just fold till the left and right corners of the boat this way. Now here again you can see a long triangle. Yes, and now from the bottom take the folding upward like this. So total here we have done 3 foldings. Let's open and see. This is our one fold. Press it, one, and this is our second fold. So total here we have done the 2 foldings and our boat is ready. Yes, our boat is ready, children. Now turn it this way. This part we are going to apply the Fevicol or Fevistick. Nicely apply in the center and all the corners. Please see that you should stick the boat in a proper way. This is our front part of the boat. So stick it like this. And where you have done the 2 foldings from the down, that is going to be your front part. So this part also we are going to stick it with the help of Fevistick. Do practice at home, children, to remember the foldings. This way you have to stick it nicely. So our waterways transport, that is boat, is ready to float in the water. And here we go, comes our third. No, it is our second boat. Yes, teacher has prepared 2 boats for you. Isn't it looking beautiful, children? So kids, how was that? I hope you would have find it easy to make it. Yes? So this was all for today, children. Please practice the paper folding of boat. Yes, and we'll meet you soon in the next session. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.